Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my morning cleaning routine. This is the first video that I have made in over 8 months because I'm working full time now. I hope that this video gives you a lot of cleaning motivation, so sit back and enjoy.
Want to keep it nice and clean, not freak out and cause a scene. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Not sure who I really am, just be cute and super bland. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? 'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on, baby, put the record on, hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on, I'm not gonna need that song, hit it. Monday came and swept away all the fun of yesterdays, but I'm gonna hold it together. This ain't forever. Need a shot and then a beat, somewhere to let off some steam. I'm not the one to say never, never say never. Been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? 'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on, baby, put the record on, hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on, I'm not gonna need that song, hit it.
So after I eat breakfast in the morning, I will do the dishes. My 10-year-old and I will actually take turns loading the dishwasher. Sometimes she will load it and sometimes I will load it. But my 13-year-old son is the one who always unloads it.
I grew up and I'm bitter, and 0 out of 3 no more. Thought that I'd be quicker, but I'm heading out that way for sure. Said that you'd be waiting, and now it's been too long, been too long. I wish that we could turn back time, back to all of those nights when I knew you were mine. I miss when we were teenage girls and our tomboy t-shirts, when life was good and the worn out sneakers, when we were fine about the complications. Those were the days in the tomboy t-shirts. I never said I was ready, but ready for what comes ahead. You said that you were with me, I wonder how we did forget. Some days were forever, and now it's been too long, been too long. I wish that we could turn back time, back to all of those nights.
So after I'm finished wiping off my counters, my stove and microwave and all that sort of stuff, I will then clean out my kitchen sink using the Mrs. Meyer's baking soda scrub and the lemon verbena scent.
I knew you were mine. I miss when we were teenage girls and our tomboy t-shirts, when life was good and the worn out sneakers, when we were fine about the complications. Those were the days in the tomboy t-shirts. Dirt
like a fool. Baby, your games are running out of control. Got me half crazy, oh baby. See, I've been trying to get my mind straight, but all I think about is you and what you do to me. Getting down in my head like rocking it back like...
So my laundry routine is basically the same as it's always been. I like to wash a load of clothes right before bed, and then in the morning I will put those clothes in the dryer and then start another load. If you didn't know this, we are actually a family of 6, and I work full-time, like I said earlier in the video, so my 2 older children will also help out with the laundry, as well as my 6-year-old, but they do fold up 90% of the laundry. They do not fold up mine or my husband's clothes. I do that, and they also do all the towels and all that sort of stuff. So I'm in charge of washing, and then later on in the day, they will switch them over to the dryer and fold them.
Baby, you're the one, wanna get close to you, take me to the finish line, and then you take me back to square one. What? To get down from your high horse, I've had enough of sticking around taking your mess. Cause you know you like it, you know you love it, so why'd you have to put on that act now? Yeah, I'm so fed up, but still want more. Yeah. And all the other girls who want a little piece of pie, they're gonna have to wait in line, cause now it's you and I. I'm gonna see it through no matter where it goes, cause I've never had a love like you. You're playing me like a fool. Baby, your games are running out of control. Got me half crazy. You got me half crazy. You gave me love, take it away. You got me wrapped around your finger just like you want. You got me half crazy, oh baby.
So for this part of the video, you will see me vacuuming and then mopping. I do not do either one of these things every single day. I wish that I could say that I did them, but I don't. I have 4 kids that I homeschool, and I also work full time. So I do not have the time to do those 2 things every single day. Just being real. I wish that I did, but I do like to vacuum at least once a week. And as far as mopping goes, that's more like every 2 weeks if I'm going to be real, but I wish that I could say I did it once a week.
I don't wanna be alone, spend too much time by myself. So many things that I still don't know. It's time for me to move on. I want you right here, but you're all across the globe. Never call me back, even though you're on your phone. Wishful thinking gets the best of me, hoping that it's still you and me. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine, just some time off we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong. Whoa. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine. Just some time off, we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I don't. I do not wanna give you more of my life. I do not wanna give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now. Not sure if I'll make it out. I do not wanna give you more of my life. Oh, 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 hey, yeah, oh.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for.
And finally, the last part of my routine every morning is to prepare supper. So sometimes I will stick something in the crock pot, or I will bake some kind of a casserole in the oven and then pull it out for my kids to heat up whenever it is time for supper, because I'm not here at the house during supper time. Or the third option is they will cook something in the oven, such as frozen pizzas or chicken nuggets and tater tots or something like that. So I always make sure that I have something planned for supper for them before I leave the house.
We're going under, there's nothing we can do. The final hour before we let it go to rest. It's such a heartbeat pounding in your chest in this story.
Backlash written on me, card rubbing on a glass bowl. I've been ballin', prima lady sitting coming down. I'm already out, already on the countdown. I'ma set it right. Got the backlash written on me.